In here we have data and storage. What is going on? It says disk and network usage. Right now 49 megabytes of my storage is used on the Telegram. 7 megabytes it is my data usage, and the storage path is on my SD card. So everything that I download, I save. All of the things of the Telegram, it will be saved on my SD card, SD memory, which is plugged into my phone. If you want to set it as internal storage, you can press in here and choose internal storage. I don't like that. I set it as the SD memory. Automatic media download. These are important settings. What's it? This is the first thing that you need to do while you're installing Telegram. Okay, it says when using mobile data, it's going to be just download photos. You will see the channels, photos, the post, all of the things that the photo is included, and it is a photo, it will be downloaded with your mobile data. It is enabled. If you want, you can disable it. If you want, you can again go to the photos, press on it, not go to the photos, press on it. You can choose and you can customize it. For example, you only the photos that your contacts send to you automatically download. The other ones you need to tap on it and start downloading it. You can customize it. Okay, you can customize it. On the videos you can have these options too. In here you will see maximum video size. For example, it is going to be download the videos up to 10 megabytes. Okay, if the video is larger than it, it's not going to be downloaded. Again, on the files is like the videos. You can choose a specific users or specific ones. For example, you can choose contacts, you can choose private chats, group chats, or channels. In here, when connected to the Wi-Fi, if your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, only download photos in all chats. It is enabled on all chats. Okay, Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi. So it is Wi-Fi, not your phone data. In here, when roaming, it is on photos. Okay, when your SIM card is on roaming, is going to be download photos in all chats. If you want, you can disable that. It is going to be save your internet. In here, save to gallery. On the Telegram, when someone or a channel, a group, a contact send you a message, send you a photo, send you a video, is not going to be saved into your gallery. You can only see that on the Telegram. Okay, if you want to see them on the gallery, and you can save them in the gallery. Okay, you can enable it from here. Right now, all of the things that someone sends to me, it will be saved on my gallery. I don't really like that, and I disable all of them. Stream videos and audio files. It is enabled. Okay, so you can stream your audio and video files. Calls. Use less data for the calls. Only while roaming. If you press, you can set it as always, set it as never. When you save calls data, your quality it will be low. For example, look at this. It is the calls data usage, and this is the quality. If you save it, your quality will be poor. If your quality is high, your usage data it will be a lot. This is the example of the useless data on the calls. Respond with text. For example, someone calls you and you didn't answer it. You can choose one of these. For example, I call you later, or can't talk now. Call me later. If someone, or if you reject him and if you didn't answer him, respond with text, it will be appear for them if you set it in here. Okay, we have proxy and delete all cloud drafts. What is delete all cloud drafts? If you press on it, everything that you saved on the Telegram, all of them, it will be deleted. What is the proxy settings? On the Telegram, we have proxies. Okay, for example, you can see some of them are unavailable, some of them are available with the ping. It will show it with the green and with the ping of them. Okay, what's going on? Proxy is for the countries that, for example, they banned Telegram and the Telegram is banned on their countries. Okay, these type of countries can use VPN, or they can use proxies to log in into the Telegram account to use Telegram. As you can see, use proxy, it will be enabled. Auto switch proxy after 10 seconds. For example, this one, it didn't connect. After 10 seconds, it is going to be automatically change the proxy. data and storage is all done.